Hi, this is Manesh Patel with IMTF Trade. Today is November 4th. A little late on doing this recording. Typically, I do it at lunchtime, Eastern Standard Time, but I was out of state, so just got back. Wanted to go through it now. We had an interesting week. We had a short cover rally on the US stock market, a lot of currencies and everything reversed, and a lot of things reversed out there. So let's see how the TNT did this week. If you don't know what a TNT is, you can look at the past recordings, but basically the TNT is this black bar here. And what you're looking for is it sets up an opportunity for the next bar. Reason why is this TNT tells you something can happen on the next bar. And you could see here. Now, which way do you go? Typically what you do is you want to go with the momentum, you want to look for that red shade here. If it's a red shade, you want to sit there and sell to bet on this going down. If it's a green shade, you want to buy it above the TNT high right there to bet on it going up. We've now printed entry dots. So you see these blue dots here are your entry dots here. So let's begin. So here is our list of TNTs. First of all, we did not have many TNTs on a weekly time frame at all for the US stock market and currencies. So that was telling us it was going to be an interesting week to begin with. So let's begin here. Remember, the previous week, you had a TNT. That means this is the week we're trading. Here, we had a bearish opportunity here. It never got to the blue dot and enter at all. Okay, so there was no opportunity there. DVC, here, there was a bearish opportunity here. It did not enter at all. Some of you may be wondering what this line here is. That tells you the trend that's going on. If this line here is above price, that means it's a bearish trend. If this line is below price, it means a bullish trend. So if you're betting on this going down against the bullish trend, this means this is a counter trend opportunity. It didn't trigger either way, so there's no trade there at all. Here, PXD, there's no shade at all on the current bar, so there's no opportunity at all that we're going to take. Here, NOC, same here, no shade, no trade. FL, there's no shade here, no trade at all. Here, no shade, no trade. Here, there's no shade at all, and there's no trade. Here, no shade, no trade. Here, no shade, no trade. Basically, no opportunities that you would enter at all right now. No shade, no trade. No shade, no trade. Here's one here. No shade, no trade at all. Notice this went counter trend. You had the blue entry dot here. It was a bearish trend here initially when this black bar had here and everything. It went completely counter trend. These are counter trend trades here, right there. BK, no shade, no trade. Monster, this is a trade here you would have entered. Initially, it was red. That's why you had entry dots there. Then it turned into green, so you would sit there and not sit there and sell here, but you would buy here. So you had two entry dots here. There was one right there and one right there. And the shade was going in and out. You basically bought here, and this is a profitable trade. So this is one trade here that you would have entered that was profitable. No shade, no trade. No shade, no trade. This is a trade here. You entered right there. There's your initial stop. Never got triggered, believe it or not. And over here, you close positive. So that's two winning trades, no losing trades. Here's another trade that won. So that's three winning trades. Over here, this is a trade here that you did enter here, and it did take a minor loss. So two winning trades, one minor loss. CAH, this is a winning trade. So with three winning trades, one minor loss. And over here, you really didn't enter this because this gapped up, then came down to the entry and never sit there and come back up at all. It went all the way down. So there's no entry in this at all. So you basically summarized the whole last week in three winning trades and one minor loss. That is not bad at all considering the short cover rally that we had. So you could always see what's going on with the markets. So when you have that list of TNT going into the trading week, if it's not a big list, that gets a little suspicious and tells you something's going on in the market. And you could see clearly that you had a lot of activity this week. You had a lot of short cover rally and everything. A lot of volatility entered completely there. So at the end of the day, we didn't do that bad. Remember, we're by looking for a shade, we are looking for momentum to be on your side. So if a short cover rally happens, you're not going to sit there and get into those opportunities at all unless those trades were in the direction of that short cover rally. But either way, summarized it for this week: 3 winning trades, 1 minor loss. Not bad at all considering what happens. Let's see what happens going into next week to see if we do follow through on this short cover rally or we decide to do nothing or go the other way again. You guys